How to send WhatsApp message without saving that number. Hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you send WhatsApp message without saving that phone number on your device. So let's get started. On this process, first you'll have to open WhatsApp on your device. So simply open the WhatsApp. Alright, so after you open the WhatsApp, you will got such interface. So from here, you'll have to send that phone number whom you want to send WhatsApp message without saving that phone number on your device. So you'll have to send that phone number on yourself. So right now, WhatsApp will allow you to send the message to yourself. So for that, you'll have to search your number in the search field, and from there you can easily able to message yourself on WhatsApp. So from here, I will send a phone number to myself. So I'm adding this phone number here. Alright, so after you send the phone number here, you'll have to just tap on that phone number to send the message. So simply tap on that phone number. Alright, so after you tap on that number, you'll got such interface. So from here, you got options like chat with, call on WhatsApp, and add to contacts. So tap on the option chat with. So simply tap on it. And now from here, you can easily find that person in WhatsApp, and easily you can send that message to that person. So this is the easiest and simplest method to send WhatsApp message without saving that phone number on your device. So if you find this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.